Marhaba, I want to teach you a word that you can use every day. Usually in non-Arab cultures, they say enjoy your meal, or as the French say, bon appetit. In Arabic, we say صحتين, صحتين. But the difference is, we use it after the person has finished his meal. It has no direct translation to English, but if I want to explain it, it means, I hope that this meal benefited your health. صحتين. Because صحتين comes from the word صحة, which means health. Now go and say صحتين to your friend, family member, partner, and also remember that you can get creative with it by adding, for example, my love after صحتين. صحتين حبيبي, صحتين حبيبتي. When saying my love in Arabic, don't forget to assign a gender to the word depending on who you are talking to, male or female. Habibi is for male, Habibti is for a female. I hope you remember grammatical gender from my previous video. If not, please go watch it. Shukran.